Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. I am so sorry that I haven't uploaded. I have been so sick and I'm pretty sure you guys can still hear it in my voice, like, whew. But today's video is a power hour and it's exciting because today I am collabing with Alexis from My Fabulex Life. I'm gonna pop it somewhere up on the screen. She's doing a power hour as well, and let me tell you guys, she lives a much more exciting life than I do. Like, seriously, she is a mama and she has got Bibina 2 on the way. So that is always really exciting. I've been talking to her since before the holidays, actually, and she's a really nice girl, and I shouldn't say that, she's a really nice woman, and I think you guys will like her. So after you're done watching this video, definitely check out her video in case you need some extra cleaning motivation. I'm sure you guys will like her. If you like me, you will like her. And if you are from Alexis's channel, hi, my name is Jessa. I am so sorry that I'm sick. You're not getting the full experience, but welcome. I hope you choose to stick around. I'd love to have you part of my YouTube family. I hope you guys enjoy this power hour. Happy Easter if you do celebrate Easter. If you don't, that's okay. But I hope everybody has a wonderful Easter, and here's some good cleaning motivation for the Easter weekend. So I love you guys forever. I hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you next time.
I wanna know your dark side. I wanna know your secrets. I wanna be your lifeline. So I wait for you, wait for me. Wait for you, wait for me. Tell me you're more than just a highlight. Pretty pictures on the outside. I hate to stare at you through these lights. So I wait for you, wait for me. Wait for you, wait for me. Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Oh, oh, this ain't love, no, no. This ain't love, no, no. This is artificial. This ain't love, no, no. This ain't love, no, no. This is artificial.
I wanna know you inside and out. Wanna know what's behind the light. Wanna feel that real love. still as a breeze, a river flowing deep. Don't wanna leave the air you breathe, living mirrors dreams when I think of you and me. Don't wanna leave the world you see, and I will hold you down if love is still alive. It's all forgiven to my eyes. The tide has turned around. Just listen to the sound. To